your B51 Mustang. Well, we've got people new stuff today, aren't we? So, Mr. Darren Paul Dorgan, Mr. Darren Paul Dorgan from Luton, from his driving license. So, Mr. Darren Paul Dorgan, and he's photographing with. Just to bear in mind as well, we've got the rocket that's going to be. Just coming towards the show line now, getting towards us. Again, this is the Mustang, the B51. Running on 14S, 14 cells, and 19.6-inch Mustang. You ready? Should we have a chat? Where is he? Go on. Go on, Daz. Let's have a good chat. So you've got you guys coming on next. Tell us a little about what we've got here in front of us. It's all right, under 100 quid, I think. Yeah. How do you get in your kit? All the fitting really for sort of sports flying is going to really nice, you know, it just takes a bit of spring out of the elevator movement, you know, it just firms it up. But you'll see in a minute. We'll see some springy flying. No, you'll see sort of how stable they are. You know, they look quite glitzy, but they're really nice flying. Well, let's see how you guys get on. So how many have we got in the air? It's about 15, isn't it?
About 13.
13, all right. So it's the Fun Fighters.
Hey guys, thanks for checking in on this Bravo 303 video from Weston Park 2022. If you've got any question about the model you've just seen, hit it in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like, and if you want to see more from the show, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you soon.